Withdrawing money from Amazon Prime to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Amazon account using your registered email and password. Make sure you are using the account linked to your Amazon Prime membership. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and List menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access your payments. In the account settings, find the Your Payments option. Click on it to view your payment methods and account balances associated with your Amazon account. Step 4. Select the Withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw funds or transfer money. This may be labeled as Withdraw Funds or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details if not already saved. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Review the details before finalizing to ensure accuracy. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds, which may take a few business days to appear.